To open a BMO youth account, start by gathering the necessary documents, including a valid government-issued ID and social insurance number. Next, decide which type of account is best for you, such as a savings or checking account. Visit the BMO website or go to a local branch to begin the application process. If applying online, click on the Open an Account button and select the Youth Account option. If applying in person, let the bank representative know you want to open a youth account. You will be asked to provide your personal and contact information, including your name, address, and phone number. You will also need to provide your ID and social insurance number for verification purposes. Once your account is open, you will receive a debit card and checkbook if you chose a checking account. You can also set up online banking to manage your account and track your transactions. To manage your account effectively, make sure to regularly check your balance and transactions to catch any errors or suspicious activity. Set a budget and stick to it to avoid overspending and ensure you have enough money for savings and expenses. It is also important to understand the fees associated with your account, such as monthly maintenance fees or overdraft fees. Take advantage of any benefits or rewards that come with your account, such as interest on your savings or cash back on your purchases. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully open and manage a BMO youth account, helping you develop good financial habits and achieve your financial goals.